Welcome to the Aurum Customer Portal. In order to access the portal for the first time, you will need to register your account. To register, click here. If you're having issues at any point, feel free to call or email us. Once you are registered, use your credentials to log in. When you've logged in, the home page will show the All Orders screen. To place a new order, click Place New Order. On the next screen, select your license type, license number, and your transportation method. Enter the pickup, drop-off, or mail-in date. Any other information about transport can be entered in the box below. For example, drop-off time, tracking number, or estimated arrival date. Then click Next. To enter the sample information, click Add Sample. Complete the sample information fields and click Next. The next screen is where you will select the test you want completed. Notice when you hover over testing options, a short description appears. A summary will be listed at the bottom with the individual sample costs and the amount of sample needed. Click on Submit Sample to continue. If you're not ready to submit your order just yet, you can save your order and come back to it later. Once you're ready to submit your order, review order details, click Verify, and Submit Order. Once you see this page, your order has been submitted. You will receive email notifications as your samples are in progress and once your results are available. We're happy to help with any questions you might have. Thank you for choosing Aurum for your testing needs. We appreciate your business.